Some of you might be having an issue with a pen drive whenever you're trying to copy a large file to your pen drive. Let's say the file size is of 4 GB or something. So if you try to copy the file to your pen drive, and the pen drive will show an error message saying that this file cannot be copied. And most of you might be facing this issue. So in today's video, we're going to see how to solve that issue. So let's start it. Now I'm going to connect my pen drive now. My pen drive is connected. Now I have to copy a file to the pen drive. So here, as you can see, this file size is 4 GB. So I'm copying it and pasting it in the pen drive. So if I click on paste, as you can see, that is showing an error message that the file size is too large for the destination file system. For that, right click on the pen drive and go to properties. Now it's showing the pen drive size. As you can see, the file format is in the FAT32. So FAT32 does not support the file more than 1 GB. So what we have to do is just change that settings to NTFS, which is for another format technology, and then format the pen drive. It is taking a while. As you can see, the format is completed now. Now I click close. Now I'm going to copy the same file to the pen drive. Copy and open the pen drive, click paste. Now as you can see, the file is copying now because it was now formatted by the NTFS file format. So that's it for today's video, guys.